Hello, Unity. I'm Rachelle Indra, and I'm a life coach here in Central Oregon, and I will be speaking this Sunday and talking about solo travel, talking about not only my experiences with traveling solo every summer for 3 months, but what it is that we can learn about ourselves and our personal human experience from traveling alone. So often we are advertised to, and culture tells us that we should do travel with a romantic partner, that we should do travel with our family, that we should do travel with our friends, and that it's not something that we should be doing alone, that it won't be as exciting or as fun or as memorable. It might be dangerous to do it alone. And I'm here to tell you that none of that is true. And so much of our understanding of ourselves opens up when we are willing to travel alone. And I will also go into the fact that you do not have to cross the pond in order to travel alone. There are ways to get all the goodness, all the nutrients, all the learning from this right here in our own backyard, in our own town, in our literal own backyard. You can get all of those experiences. So whether you are traveling across the pond or traveling across your backyard, we are going to be talking about the experience of travel and what will change for us when we start doing it.